making a timber table. It's a very simple process. All you need is some timber. You plane the timber nice and fine, top side and all the sides, not the bottom, that's not necessary, but it's gotta be reasonable, okay? So, after you plane the timber, you can either take it to your local timber mill, or if you have the machine, you can do it yourself. Okay, once the timber is nice and straight, you position the timber down, you line it up. And you see my marks here? You mark that. You mark it precisely. Marks all along there. Okay, once you mark that, you use this tool which is called biscuit joiner. You see I've already done this biscuit joining. You mark it at approximately 300 centers. Okay, 300 centers. You can do your own if you think you want to be closer, but 300 is enough because I'm using 35mm timber here. This is the timber, this is the biscuit joiner that you need. Okay. You obviously place that on the mark. There's your mark. You make sure your mark is big enough so you can see it. And then you use the tool. You have to practice on an off-cut first. Get a little piece of timber and you practice on it. Make sure the timber is of the same dimensions. Okay. Put that away. Now, okay, what we need next is some glue. A product called PVA or similar products will do the job, and some biscuits. Biscuits, not the ones you eat, alright? Biscuit joining is wood joining biscuits. See the packet? It says wood joining biscuits. Obviously you've got to go with the size that you've done the cut on the timber, and you buy the same size. Okay, it says there what it is. Right, then all you need is you get your glue. Okay, you apply glue right through the timber. Okay, just like I've done here. Alright, on the top and on the bottom part of the biscuit, so that you join the timber properly, and then you will put the biscuit in place. Easy process. Okay. And you keep going all the way to the end. After you applied your glue and you put the joints, biscuit joints in the grooves, and you put glue on both sides of the timber, it should be this easy to getting it together. This easy. And that was it. Then we use the clamps in a little while to clamp it all together after I join them all together. See you back in a second. Right, here we are, we're back again on the all of the timbers are joined for the top of the table. Timber table, about 35 millimeters in thickness in this case. Western red cedar. You can use anything you like, and as long as you seal it good, you'll have no problem. So then what you need is a bit of timber on this side where the clamp is, so that when you squeeze together you don't damage the timber, and a bit of timber on the other side. Once you got a bit of timber on that side there and a bit of timber on this side, you can tension this for as strong as you are. Obviously you don't have to overdo it. You don't have to do mechanical tension. You do it by hand. Okay? Okay, once all the timber has been joined together, there will be excess glue on the top of the table. We don't really care too much about the bottom, you won't see it. But you can always do something about that later on. But to make it easier for you sanding, you just get a wet cloth and you wipe the glue off. It's that simple. Okay. Then you wait for a couple of days or a day or two to dry. Day will probably do it, but 2 is preferable for the glue to dry. Before you proceed to squaring off all the edges, rounding off bits and pieces, rattling stuff, you will see it as it goes on.